Most people don't realize this. Your JHL setup is not broken because of the bad automations. It's broken because of the bad organization. I'm Husnain from Xort Logix, and today I'll show you how to organize properly your GoHighLevel workflows so you never lose track again. You keep adding new workflows, one for onboarding, one for leads, and one for follow-ups. And suddenly you have chaos. You don't even know which one sends which text or email anymore. So that's where structure comes in. Now, let me show you the difference between a chaotic workflow setup and a clean, structured one. The first screen, you can see how random everything looks. No folders, no naming system, just a bunch of workflows thrown together. It might not seem like a big deal at first, but this kind of a setup is a recipe for chaos. You will never know which automation is firing, which one is outdated, and which one's conflicting with another. Now, look at this. This is how we organize it at Xort Logix. Every folder represents a specific function, and so on. Inside each folder, the workflows are numbered in order. So it's super clear what happens first, second, and third. Let's go to this folder. For example, you can see every workflow is numbered. In its start, there's a number. So this one simple habit, creating folders and numbering your workflows, reduces the confusion by 80%. Plus, when your team scales up or new person joins, they immediately understand the logic of your automations without asking a single question. Remember, it's not about automating fast. It's about automating smart. And that starts with the structure. Secondly, always use consistent names. This helps when your team scales and multiple people work inside the same sub account. Keep a visual map, even Notion document can work. You need to see the bigger picture of your automation. This saves you hours when debugging or expanding flows. So, in a nutshell, organized systems scale and the chaotic ones collapse. If you found this helpful, subscribe for the weekly GHL updates and automation strategies we actually use at Xort Logix. Thank you so much.